Hey everybody, Scott Cameron with MarineMax and Brick. Today we're going to profile the Sea Ray 2023 270 SDX. Let's take a look. On the side here we have a beautiful two-tone hull with white and quantum blue. This is the Outboard model with a 300 Mercury 4-stroke engine. Of course you have the ladder, trim tabs underneath the boat, and plenty of rear deck seating. And we'll go up and take a look inside the boat. With the outboard engine, all of this area in here becomes storage for the boat, so you have plenty of storage on this boat. Sea decking in the aft, a stone interior with gray carpeting. The seats here fold both ways. They also fold up in here if you want to lay back or sit all the way down. This vessel's equipped with a Simrad 12-inch screen networked to the Mercury engine. It has a white tower that is retractable and folds down. Also equipped with an electric head and sink. There's plenty of storage below deck here as well, and underneath all the seats. You can see you have plenty of seating in the cockpit area for all your guests. Walking through to the front of the boat, you have your water fill here. This boat has a premium Fusion sound system. And again, plenty of seating forward with armrests so you could sit back comfortably. And the boat also has a windlass anchor for ease of use. Fully equipped with a Coast Guard package and available for immediate delivery at our Brick showroom.